Today I'm going to show you how to make working doorbells. Oh, what is door? Oh, not like this. Why? I did this. Now, block. No need of blocks. You need blocks. We need blocks. No jukebox. Is there cat? Cat. I need it. Tell me. Why? There's no sound. Oh. Now you need repeaters. Where is the repeaters? I forgot the sound. No. Here. Not wood. Not that. Cobblestone. What was the sound? This is one. You can first put where door. I need door. You think this is your door? House door. This is your house door. You need a button. B-O. Is it B-O? No. I'll take this. Oh, why always? Then here will be your doorbell. This will be your doorbell. Now dig 2 blocks under, put one right there. I totally forgot. Jukebox. Put this one here. Now break this, put a thing. Then put a repeater going through here too. 3 tick delay. Now put a stone here. Now turn 10. You can create your own. Turn 10. You can make musics with this. And like this. Now put another. Turn 10. Turn 10. Like this. Here another. What? A cave right over here. Dun, 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 dun. Now let's try it. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this. You can hear one more time. Dun, 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 dun. Like this. Oh, my ear. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, there's a problem. I I like this, like this, like this. Like this. You can do. Why did the cave come right here? Now put this into like this. No need of this. Let's go try it out. You can hear. Now you can just cover it up. Oh, there's a problem. You need to build this 3 blocks deep, because if there is a block on top of the jukebox, it won't make any sound. Look, if I put all of this on top of the jukebox, you can't, there will be no sound. I'll show you. I put blocks on every jukebox and everything. Look, no sound will come. You need to build it 8 block deep. If you build it 2 block, it won't come. You can create your own sound music with this. Like this is it's it. That's only everybody know how to make doorbells. It's so easy. Wait a minute. What is that? What is this? And you can do one more thing to this. You can just do this. You can give yourself a command block. Slash give stew bamboo command block. If you click again, I'll try one more time. Something happened. Slash give stew stew command underscore block. Next, here I have a command block in my inventory. I'll do that. Just put this. Nope. Need to put here. Then and put the command block here. Then if we put the command block here, it will show you that if you didn't heard the, you can't hear the jukeboxes, you can set this inside the command block. Then it will show you that wait a minute. You need to type title. Title. I don't think it is going to work. Title. Your then I think this is like this. Doorbell. I think it is like this. Command set door. Title doorbell. Why? Oh, something happened. Then you don't want to do all of this stuff. Then thank you for watching. Everybody know how to build this thing. Why? Blah 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 blah.